Hi there, Year 7. I hope you're okay. It's Mr. Lupton here with another virtual assembly. We're in our second week of the lockdown with schooling, and I just wanted to give you guys a few updates that are really important and also to share some celebrations and successes with what you've done so far because I've seen some really exciting and brilliant work from you guys, which is really fantastic. So, we really wanted to recognize that. So, let's go through and discuss what we are going to be talking about today. So, today we're going to just quickly go back over accessing your work if there's any problems with that, also helping you to troubleshoot your problems if there are any issues. As I say, we are celebrating some successes and giving out some congratulations to you guys. And we'll finish off today by giving you some tips for keeping healthy and happy through this lockdown and discussing a little challenge for you guys to really make sure you're not just thinking about your work, but you're thinking about leading a really happy and healthy lifestyle while you're at home as well. So, the very first thing I wanted to say is just really well done to all of you. You guys have really managed to adapt to these changes really, really well. It's been such a crazy couple of weeks changing everything up, but you guys have really shown that you're able to do it, and that's been absolutely amazing. So, well done for everything you've done so far because you've been absolutely brilliant. So, just quickly to talk about accessing your work again, I think all of you guys pretty much have been able to get onto Show My Homework and to get onto Microsoft Teams for your live lessons. Just a reminder that all of your lessons are online, okay? So every single lesson you should be completing work for as if you're at school. And remember that your work is a mixture of pre-recorded lessons and live lessons. So you need to log in to Show My Homework every single day, and remember that your lessons start at 9 o'clock and they will end at 2:40, and you have 2 breaks in between them. So you should be following your lessons as if you were at school. So completing your pre-recorded lessons when you have them, and completing your live lessons when you have them as well. Just a reminder as to how to access that. You need to be going to the school website and you can find the Show My Homework button. If you can't find that, you can also Google Show My Homework and click on the first link there. What you need to do is then click on Sign in with Office 365. Remember, it won't work if you try and search for the school and put in your details like normal. You have to sign in with Office 365, otherwise Show My Homework won't recognize who you are. So you click on that and use the same username and the same password as if you're at school, but you add the @theforestacademy.co.uk to the end of your username. And that is how you can log into both Show My Homework and Microsoft Teams. If you are having any problems, I know a couple of people have said that they're unable to see some things on Microsoft Teams, for example. Do let us know. I've put the email at the bottom there for you to email. So it's admin@theforestacademy.co.uk. As I've said in the previous slide, make sure you're following your school timetable as if you're at school. The really key thing here as well, guys, is if you have any problems, ask your teachers for help on Show My Homework. So on every single lesson, you can leave a comment. If you don't know what's going on or if you can't understand something, leave a comment because your teacher will be there to get back to you and can help you out. Another key thing to say is if you don't have access to a laptop or Wi-Fi, or if you're really struggling to get onto the work, do let us know as well by emailing that email at the bottom there, because we do have spare laptops and Wi-Fi provisions that we can hand to you. So let us know as soon as possible if that's something we can help you out with. This is my favourite part of the assembly, and it's something I've really looked forward to sharing with you guys. I wanted to say congratulations to all of these students on the board. So I'll go through all the names. So in 7F, really well done 7F. We've got Theo, Yasmina, Chloe, Brooke, Caitlin, Miley, Aruj, Miley, James, Dennis, Zinat, Christian, Mayan, Maisie, Alicia. 7O, we've got Ryder, Charlotte, Alfie, Gabriella, Ibrahim, John, Rayan, Hassan, Anissa, Jessica, Hamita, Fatma. In 7R, we've got Zenat, Tyler, Hisham, Emily, Yara, Ayan, Karina, Timus, Aliyah, Daniel, and Ayan. In 7E, we've got Nathan, Larissa, Chris, Hamita, Jude, and Avas. And in 7S, we've got Jaden, Poppy, Joshua, Alicia, Harrison, Lara, and Archie. Well done to all of you guys. You guys have all shown that you have been completing all of the work very consistently, and you've been uploading all of your work to Show My Homework And me and Miss English have seen that, and we've been super impressed with you guys. So really well done. You guys have really taken to this like ducks to water. You've really done well by adapting to doing all of your work at home. So you should be expecting a certificate to come through to your parents' emails very soon, just to say how well you've done over the first week of working at home. So really, really well done, guys. Keep that up and keep the consistency up. And I also just wanted to have a special sort of message and congratulations for fantastic work as well. I've heard from the teachers of these three students that you've been producing some really great work. So well done in Charlotte in 7.0, Bobby in 7F, and Angel in 7E. I'm sure there's plenty more of you as well that are doing some really fantastic work right now, but these are just the three at the moment that I've heard have been doing some really great work. So you guys will also be receiving another certificate as well to say how well your work has been. So really, really well done, guys. I'm really looking forward to next week when I'm hearing more of you, who I'm hearing from teachers about who's doing really, really well. So well done to everyone whose name I've just said there. It's really, really good stuff. The really important thing I wanted to talk to you about today as well is that right now this can be a real struggle for a lot of people. And I wanted to give you some tips for working throughout the lockdown and just how to keep yourself happy and motivated at the moment. Because being locked down at home, especially this time of year where the days are short and it's very wet and cold and it's very dark all the time, it's very tough, and it demands a high level of resilience from everyone. And some people are more resilient than others, and so I just wanted to give you some tips about how to do this. It's really easy to experience low moods at the moment and to suffer from poor mental health. So just the key thing I want you to do, year 7, is to make sure you're mindful about where your mind is at right now. Look at the picture, because I really like this picture. I think it's a brilliant and accurate representation as to how your mood works. You can really be at any of those points, and obviously we all want to be at the green part there. We all want to be excelling and thriving in our life, but sometimes it can slip and we can really struggle, and sometimes we can fall into a crisis, which is where we don't want to be. So just always think about, how am I feeling right now, and think about, is that little bar moving up or down? Am I kind of going into somewhere that's really positive, or am I maybe slipping into somewhere that's a little bit negative and I'm struggling to cope? And the key way to deal with that is talking to people. So make sure you are talking to your loved ones. You're talking to us about how you're feeling, especially if you're feeling low, because it's really important to recognize that and to try and put some steps in place to help you. So I'm just going to give you a few tips about how to make sure that you are getting into that green space rather than that red space right now. So the key thing, as I've already said, is ask your teachers for help. I hear there's a lot of anxiety at the moment about maybe not understanding a lot of work or not being able to complete a lot of work. Just let your teachers know. Let your teacher know that you've really struggled with something, you've tried your best, and they will appreciate that. If your work is getting you down, don't worry too much. Just let your teacher know and say, I've worked on this really, really hard. I wasn't able to complete all of it, but here's what I did. And that's absolutely fine. If you work the hardest you can, year 7, that's all we can ask for you. Please don't work late into the night. Set a cut-off time for yourself. So say, past 4 o'clock at the absolute maximum, I'm not going to be working anymore, because I don't want you to be working for the whole evening. It's not healthy for you. Remember, there's no homework to complete during lockdown. It's only your classwork. So really, you should only be working from 9 in the morning to 2:40 in the afternoon, and just taking the breaks as if you'd have them in school. Do take breaks regularly, even in lesson times. Make sure you're getting up, you're walking around, go to your kitchen, get a cup of tea or some water or something, and just make sure you are breaking up your day like that. Try not to sit at the same desk all day. Make sure you are eating and sleeping and drinking really well to support you and your brain. Make sure you're taking on lots of water, eating the food that's really good for you. Try and avoid snacking, and have a really set routine of your sleep as well. Make sure you're in bed by a certain time, you're switching off your phone, and you're really taking that time for yourself. And please make sure you're not just focusing on school through this lockdown. As important as it is, I want you guys to enjoy the things you love as much as you possibly can. So, as I say, make sure you're connecting with people, especially those that you care about. And when I say connecting, make sure you're giving people a call, not just talking to them over WhatsApp, because it's really important to make sure that you have those human connections right now. Keep mindful about how you're feeling. Talk to loved ones when you're struggling, and the most important thing I think as well is to keep active. So make sure you are going on walks, you're going on jogs, or completing some home workouts, because there's a very strong link to keeping healthy physically and having a healthy mind as well. And this brings me to my our head of year challenge with myself and Miss English. I want you to show us that you're doing the things you love as well as the things you're doing at school. So I'd really love to see what you guys are up to in your free time. It would be really great to see if any of you can go on and maybe cook something with your parents. Be great to see if any of you are reading, like what great books you're reading. If you guys are playing any great video games right now, then let us know. Send us a picture of a hobby you're doing. It could be anything. Could be playing the musical instrument that you love to play. It could just be time with your pets if you have any pets at home. Send us some pictures or a short email update about what you've been doing away from school, just to show us that you have really kind of been enjoying your life as well. So send it to the email there. That's my email. And every single entry will receive a prize, and there'll be a special prize to the entry that we find the best and the most inspiring as well. So really put yourself out there, guys. Make sure you're doing something and you're stretching yourself in your own life as well as your life at school. And that brings me to my assembly. So the end of my assembly. So really well done, Year 7. Keep it up. Keep talking to us and letting us know if we can do anything to help you. But we'll speak to you soon, and take care.